Okay, hello. Hi, my name is Ron Stens. I'm from ISE Audio. ISE Audio is a Berlin-based company making wonderful studio monitors. And here at the ISE show, we have a selection of our monitors here on display. And the newest baby what we have is the SC3070. It is a three-way system which has the tweeter mid-range section of the SC4070 included, combined with one woofer. So we keep the quality of the tweeter mid-range section from the SC4070 in this small footprint cabinet size. So we wanted to have a very compact cabinet. It goes very low, 36 Hertz is the cutoff frequency of the system. It comes with a known front knob operation, so you can adjust the volume and the filter settings from the front knob, and you can lock it as known from ISE Audio with a dip switch section on the back side, so you can lock and unlock the filter settings and the volume independently from each other. The other models, what we have here, the smallest one, this is the passive side of the active monitor system, but we have here the active side of the SC203. It's the smallest speaker what we have. It's a master-slave system, comes with USB, RCA input, subwoofer output, and an optical input. It has a passive diaphragm on the backside. Here you see the passive diaphragm, so you don't have to deal with any port noise. And another feature what we have here implemented, you see it's angled backwards a little bit, and depending how you put this orange flexi pad below, you have it angled backwards 15 degrees, or without flexi pad 7.5 degrees, or then you have it straight vertical. This speaker is very useful for applications for desktop application, or you put a mobile laptop on desk and put the speaker behind, and then you can do some video post-production, whatever. Then we have here on display the SC205. It's a 5-inch two-way system. We also have a smaller one with a 4-inch. So we have two-way system with 4-inch, 5-inch, 7-inch. Here on display, double 7-inch, the SC3070. And this is, so to say, a two-way system with an additional subwoofer driver. And we have a smaller brother of this model. It's the SC305 with double 5-inch. Then here's the larger ones, SC407. It's a 4-way system. Filter-wise, it's a 3-way system. But we have 4 amplifiers. Every driver has its own amplifier. And here, a special thing is you can rotate the tweeter mid-range plate by 90 degrees. So the user can easily change the speaker from a vertical speaker to a horizontal speaker for center application, or putting on a meter bridge with a very small footprint. Below you can see a subwoofer. We offer 4 subwoofers, beginning with a 7-inch driver. Then we have here on display the TS108 with an 8-inch driver. Then we have a 10-inch and a 12-inch subwoofer as well available. This woofer can be remote controlled via infrared remote controller. We have access to the volume settings of the system, meaning you go with a stereo signal into the subwoofer, come out with a stereo subwoofer controlled by the electronic here, going to the satellite. You can control the system volume, subwoofer volume, of course, filter settings, whatever, with a remote control or directly with the access from the front knob. Another feature what we have general here, all speakers are DSP driven, so we have a very good AD converter in the electronic. We have an XLR input and RCA input with on a very high quality level, so there's no concern using a DSP, but a DSP on the other hand has some big advantages, so you can implement easily a front knob which allows to control the volume, and also to have the settings for the shelving filters, high shelf, low shelf, whatever. You can do it in the front. You can lock filter settings and volume settings independently from each other, and the changes what you are doing are immediately audible when you change the settings. Another feature what we have, if you switch off the speaker by using main power switch in your studio, you see the speaker starts and the volume increases slowly to the certain value what you have chosen before. So if there's a loud signal coming out from your master, from your console, you can jump to the master fader and reduce the volume without damaging your ears or whatever. Yeah, this was a small overview about what we do. We are a supplier of a complete line of studio monitors. We have all the abilities to develop these speaker from scratch in Berlin. So we have a huge anechoic chamber, we have a huge echo chamber. Of course, we have a production line. We have a very good quality structure implemented. All R&D work is done in Berlin. All quality control is done in Berlin. So we are very confident that we have a very good offer for all users who want to use Eve audio monitors. Thank you very much. Sorry, I have to mention about the website. Of course, go to our website, eve-audio.com, and then you will find all information. The manuals, the product information, of course, and what more background about Eve Audio.